We offer all-round dental care under one roof. We're very fortunate to have specialties across the full spectrum of clinical disciplines in dentistry.
We are all specialists in this practice, so we welcome referrals from our general dental practitioner colleagues.
I've been looking for a practice for years that I could refer my patients into that would offer really high quality care. A lot of my patients I see in practice have quite advanced problems, and I know when they come here they get attention to detail that they need.
It's very convenient having a variety of disciplines under one roof. I refer patients to Restore when I feel that my patients require a more advanced level of treatment or specialist input.
Here in Restore, I can basically go next door and I can ask one of my restorative colleagues to come and have a look, and we can get an instant decision. It's a multidisciplinary approach to treatment. So no specialty is more important than the other, and actually we do work together to produce the best result for the patient.
It doesn't feel like a dental practice when you walk in. I've often said it feels like a nice hotel, and my patients have actually commented on how relaxing the whole scenario's been.
They're very honest and reliable, and I know that they're going to get the best care available.
My patients really get a great service from Restore. The treatment is of a very high standard, and patients are always happy when they've been referred here.